Are you gaining more weight? Does your hair fall increased a lot? Are you having menstrual irregularities and stress for even small things? Yes, then you are suffering with hypothyroidism. You may approach doctor for individual symptoms, but all these symptoms are of a single disease, that is hypothyroidism. Why can't you take a moment to change yourself? Why can't you take a moment to change the lifestyle of yourself? So, in order to start with all this, I will give explanation about what is thyroid and its role and the reason for getting the hypothyroid. Yes, first, uh, thyroid. It's a hormonal gland situated near our throat, and the main functions of this are it regulates the growth and development of the body and also balances metabolism and stimulates heart rate. The main reason for getting hypothyroidism is chronic stress. Chronic stress leads to the imbalance of thyroid hormones like T3 and T4. And the second reason is bad lifestyle, that is, uptaking of packaged foods, refined oils, and consuming the foods which are not directed from the mother nature. So, when we uptake these wrong foods, bad foods, what it does is it travels into the intestines and gets absorbed. So when it gets absorbed into the intestines, from there later it travels into the bloodstreams. Bloodstream again it travels into the main important organs like thyroid. And when this waste material gets accumulated in the thyroid region, the hormones like T3 and T4 gets affected. This how it leads to the hypothyroidism. And the another main cause for getting hypothyroidism is sleeping irregularly. So the improper sleep also leads to the hypothyroidism. There are methods of treating hypothyroidism like uptaking medications and doing yoga and pranayama and also sleeping regularly and also maintaining good lifestyle like uptaking healthy food, which means taking good diet. I will say what we need to uptake the food. So try to consume coriander seeds water. What this coriander seeds water does to our body is it maintains normal T3 and T4 hormones. So soak 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds in a glass of water and then in the early morning boil the water until it reduces to the half. So after that strain it and drink it. So this is one method of treating hypothyroidism, and also do massage in the throat region with onion juice and try to consume plant-based and water-based rich foods, and also try to eat dates and also pumpkin and sunflower seeds because this help to maintain normal T3 and T4 hormones. And what not to eat: try to avoid cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower and also refined oils, packaged foods. Try to avoid all these. And coming to yoga, try to do the asanas which activate the Vishuddha chakra. So Vishuddha chakra is the chakra which is located near our throat region. When we activate the Vishuddha chakra, it automatically activates the thyroid gland. So there are the asanas like Matsyasana, Sharvangasana, Halasana, Ustrasana, Simhasana, Setubandhasana and neck exercises. This is forward and backward neck exercise. Try to do this 3 times. Bend your neck slowly. Now sideward exercises. Try to do this 3 times. Now clockwise neck rotations. Now anti-clockwise rotations. And also try to do pranayama like Ujjayi pranayama and Anlom Viloma pranayama, and also try to sleep regularly. So these are the ways to reduce hypothyroidism. To learn about these pranayamas, go and check in my YouTube channel. I already uploaded this with a detailed explanation. So just have a glance at it. If you like the video, stay connected and please support me by subscribing my channel.